Hello, Jim Tech Buzz again. We have a new product in from JMBricklayer. Civilization Future Times. Fantastic idea, mechanical octopus. 70123, 806 plus pieces. And you can see here, this is pretty cool looking. And if you check back on our previous work we've done with these, they're really cool products. You can see there. And on the side, you've got their emails and all that kind of stuff there, Twitter, Facebook, and on the back, that's it there. If you find any problems, give them a shout. And that's it there. So let's unbox, see what the package contents is like on this one. So we're just going to start from the top because there's loads. So you've got this little bag here, this little bag here, bag number 1. That's what's inside. Okay, another little bag. So you've got all them little bits in there. That's the octopus main body there, as you can see, which is pretty cool. Some red and kind of cream colour blocks. They would be part of his body, I'd say. Bag number 3. Here's some more here. This is bag number 5. So that's what's inside there. Got a small little bag here with lights and stuff inside, by the looks of it. So there you go. Bag number 2. Another part of the octopus's body. And we've got bag number 4. So that's what's inside there. There's another separate bag inside that. So that's pretty much it there. So the user manual is next, which is pretty large compared to others we've done. So we've got mechanical creation space octopus engine, transparent cool crystal case, which looks pretty cool. And you can see inside here what the story is about it. Pretty nice, collectible nameplate platform, which we would have done in our last one stage. You can see up there. And again, you've got this here, you've got brick separator and all that kind of stuff inside the book. So you start off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you start off here, number 1, number 2, build the platform first and build your way up. So many pages in this one. So you've got lights, as mentioned there, like the previous one we did before. And you've got 228 pieces to build up during the process there. So this one's going to take a bit of time. And you also get inside here some stickers that will be placed on it as you'll go through. And that's basically it. So again, stay tuned, we'll get it built up. Tell you what we think of it and the building process, and we'll see you after break, which will be a week or 2 anyway. So we'll talk to you then. So this is it coming together bit by bit. We've done it over a couple of hours in one day and it was a nice build to make, but stay tuned for a closer look after the break and we'll show you what it's all about, how it looks and all that kind of stuff. It's a pretty cool project and stay tuned for more. Hello, it's Jim and we're back with our build of the fantastic idea mechanical octopus, which took us a bit to do, but it's very complex and detailed, as you can see. And you've got lots going on here. You've got a couple of lights as well, but it looks pretty cool, the finished product does. And that's it there. You've also got mechanical or moving legs, which can move in any direction, as you can see there. We just have to be careful because bits can fall off, as you can see there, but that's expected. And we'll just pop that to a side for a minute. And that's it, the finished product there. You've got this cool band going around here, up here, and you've got a couple of switches as well for lights, which we're going to have a look at now. But that's it there. Transparent shell here, and you've got a light switch here. So if I turn off this, you can see a light there. We're just moving that. And also you've got one around here as well, which is here. So you can see this lights up here, and it's like kind of blue neon color, which is pretty cool. And you just move this back and forth to get the effect, and it'll stay on there. And this is the opposite side here. So that's basically it in a shell, and what it looks like. Pretty cool projects, really cool product, and nice to put to the collection that we have from JMBricklayer. So stay tuned for more. I'll talk to you next one. Thanks for watching.